How to change mail ID in Zoho Books. Need to update your company email in Zoho Books quotations? Here's the quick step-by-step guide. So from your Zoho Books dashboard, go ahead and hover your mouse to the top right and then click on Settings. From here, go ahead and click on your profile under Organization and then update your primary email address under Contact Details and save. Next, check your quotation templates and make sure the email field pulls from the organization profile. If you've added a custom text block with the old email, update it manually. Create a sample quotation and preview it. Confirm the new email address appears correctly before sending to clients. If you use more than one template, repeat the update for each to keep your documents consistent. And that is how you change your company email in Zoho Books quotations.